Hello everybody, it's Toro from Toro Cards KC. Today I'm going to be ripping 6 blaster boxes of 2023 Donruss football. I know I'm a little late to the game. This stuff came out a couple of weeks ago, but just getting over the flu. Knocked me out for about 10 days. Took my voice. A lot of coughing. A lot of chest pain. But I think I felt good enough to make a video. Try to squeeze a couple of Donruss videos before Prism comes out, January. This is Thursday, December 28th. So I think early January, Panini Prism comes out. In which case I'll be ripping some of that. But I'm going to have a couple of videos of Donruss. I got some blasters, and my next video will be some value packs. I've seen that some of that stuff has pretty good things in there. So I'll try to make this quick. We'll fast forward through all the base cards as quickly as possible, and we'll just concentrate on the rookies and anything special we might get. So let's get started. I think we're gonna have a lot of base cards out of this stuff, so. Like I said, we'll try to go through them pretty quick. Get to the rookies. All right. Here we go. Michio Ojulari. Justin Shorter. And Jalen Hurts. I think I might have missed a rookie here. Nope, just 2 rookies in that box. All right, so that's that. We'll set those aside. So I have not seen a whole lot of this stuff, but we'll see. Cards do look decent. I always like the design on Donruss. They all seem to have a pretty decent looking card. Here we go. Keon White. Brian Branch. And our insert is go. White Hot Rookie. Dalton Kincaid. Not a bad looking design. It's pretty decent. Nothing shiny yet. So we'll still be looking for downtowns. Those do look pretty nice from what I have seen. All right, here we go. Tyler Steen. And got 2 inserts. And there you go. The Rookie Revolution. Again, Dalton Kincaid. That's the first shiny card we've seen. And a Christian Watson red. Second year Christian Watson. I don't think I missed the rookie. Yeah. Not getting a whole lot of rookies per box, I guess. 1 or 2 rookies maybe. Alright. Yeah. There we go. Desjuan Johnson. Roshan Johnson. And we have a Jalen Carter. Another shiny card. The rookies. I think all the front ones are base, so we'll just kind of fast forward through it all. Something feels thick here. Okay, so we have, it looks like a jersey card of some kind. Yeah. Rookie phenom of Jaren Hall. And Broderick Jones rookie. I was like, I felt something really thick on that pack. Don't know how easy those are to get, jersey cards. But we got one. Alright. Forward. And we're going to get a stack of a lot of base cards, so we're going to set those to the side. Go Tank Dell. I like it. I'll take that one. Go Chris Rodriguez Jr. Don't know much about him. Go Rich Eisen, fans of the game. And Kid Reporter for whoever wants it. All right, that was box number 1. You guys let me know. You guys ripping into this stuff? Only anything great? Let me know in the comments. I do appreciate everybody tuning in. I know I'm a little late on the Donruss, but this is going to be a fun rip, I think. And I think pretty much every year everybody likes the Donruss look. So hopefully I can pull something decent or something special, something we haven't seen before. Go Jaren Hall, Luke Schoonmaker, and this feels, is this the canvas? It looks like, feels like a canvas of Tank Dell. Yeah, got a different feel to it. I guess got a different look to it on the logo there. And nothing different about the back, just the front feels a little different. That's a good one. It's a good one to get. We're happy with that. Hopefully he'll come back next year stronger than ever. But for now, who knows? Who knows if their season's over or not. All right, here we go. Lots of base. All right. Ty Spears. And there we go, another white hot rookie. Zach Charbonnet. Wow, those Seattle rookies are looking pretty good. Didn't know much about them until I saw that game live. And all those rookies looking pretty sharp. Let's get a reporter for whoever wants it. All right. There we go. All right, there's our first rookie. Nolan Smith. Don't know much about this kid. All right, here we got a red one. We got a Vortex. These Vortex are a little difficult to read sometimes, but that's a pretty good one. Bijan, we'll take that. Sharp looking cards, these Vortex cards. They always look sharp every year, no matter what the design. And Dontavian Wicks, red parallel rookie. Not too bad. All right, here we go. Base, base, base. All right. Byron Young. Darnell Wright on the rookie. And we have the rookies insert, Roshan Johnson. You know, for being base cards, Donruss usually has a pretty good look on all the foil cards. One thing I do like about this product. Even the base cards, some of the minor inserts do look sharp. I guess they do the best. For a cheaper product of the year, you know. I like the looks of most of those cards. And we all like that rated rookie logo. Darius Davis. Dorian Williams, sorry. And the insert, Lamar Jackson. Not sure if that's one of those throwback inserts. Anyway, we'll take those. All right. There we go. Keyshawn Booty. Marvin Mims. And I think that's all we got out of that pack. 2 rookies. No insert. All right, so there was the second one. Continue. There we go. Zach Evans and Charlie Jones. No insert, just 2 rookies. Did watch a lot of football while I was out. Didn't really put me out, you know, just didn't really feel bad. Just had all the symptoms of the flu. Derek Hall, Julius Brents, and there we go. Get back to some inserts. There's the Power Plus inserts. Not too bad. Nick Chubb. I'm sure he'll be back next year. Although his team's doing pretty good without him right now. Not saying much. The coach just adjusted. Brought in some players. But I'm sure he'll be back next year. Stronger than ever. All right. Go, Jake Hayner. Jahmyr Gibbs, monster season. And there it is. Justin Williams. The champ is here insert. A little kind of plain Jane insert, but we appreciate those around here. All right. There we go. Paris Johnson Jr. We got a Trevor Lawrence insert. That's another Vortex. I like those Vortex. And we have a Brian Burns red parallel. A bad sharp looking parallels. So what do you guys think about that 49ers game? Sorry, I didn't mean to tip the camera there. You guys count out the 49ers? Think they're done? One game? I think they'll rebound. I think they're going to rebound. Jalen Hyatt. Here we go. Lou Nichols III. And one of those throwback Donruss inserts. Christian McCaffrey. Sharp looking card. I like it. Take anything Christian McCaffrey. The guy's having a monster season. As long as he's healthy, I give the 49ers a shot. All right. There we go. Trey Tucker. Niles Murphy. And a kid reporter for anybody who wants it. All right, that was box number 3. So far, nothing terribly great. We haven't missed out on some of the top rookies so far, but we're still looking for C.J. Stroud. All right. We'll be hopeful. Hopefully we can turn this around. Maybe the last half of this break it'll be a little better cards. We'll see. There's a Jalen Carter. There's a Sean Clifford and a kid reporter. All right, there's a Deuce Vaughn. There's a little better rookie. We'll take that. Wow, these guys, I've never seen this one before. Fayesade? Olukan? That's a difficult name to say. And that's not even a rookie. Not sure why he was in the rookie pack, but... And the Derrick Henry red parallel. All right, we'll keep going. I do appreciate everybody who's tuned in. I know you've probably seen a ton of this stuff already, but this is my first chance to break some of this stuff. There you go. Peter Skoronski. Quentin Johnson. And a red back on the Aiden O'Connell. We'll take that too. He's having a pretty good season too. Vying to be the starter. And from his play, I'd say he's probably going to get that job. But we'll see. Got a feeling a lot of changes next year. There we go. Bryce Young. We'll take that. Kenny McIntosh. I think that's... Is there another card? Yeah, there is. And a white hot rookie of Sam Laporta. We'll take that too. He's having a monster year too. Not a bad pack. All right. Here we go, Zay Flowers. We're starting to get better rookies. There we go, Devon A-Chain. We'll take that as a good pack. And a Charlie Joyner, old school Gridiron Kings. That was a good pack. We'll take that. All right. Here we go, Jalen Reed. Another good pack. There we go, King Felix. That's the chief we wanted to see. And Michael Mayer, Bomb Squad. Not bad. All right, box number 5. Getting a little better opening up these blaster boxes. All right. Go. Lucas Van Ness. And this is another thick card. Jalen Waddle jersey. All right, we'll take that. Nice little color match on the card. And a kid reporter. Always look nice when it's a color match on the border. Just brings out something in the card that you just like to see. All right. There's our first rookie. Israel Abunikundo. And Kalija Kensi. Some of these names are awfully hard to pronounce. This pack goes backwards in the pack, so we'll see what it has. All right. Here we go. Cam Smith. Dorian Thompson. Robinson. And another shiny insert. Legends series, Mike Allstott. Throwback legend. Was a stud in his time. All right, Max Dugan. And Deontay Banks, rookies. All right. Dontavian Wicks. And Jackson Smith and Jigba. Another one of those Seattle rookies that's having a great year. At least as of late, he's come on strong. Got his name mentioned on TV a few times. All right, last pack. Tank Bigsby, Zach Harrison, and another Rich Eisen fans of the game. All right, last pack, last box, last chance to get something decent. All right, there's our first rookie. Marvin Mims Jr., Darius Davis, and one of those rookies inserts. I first saw this name, I thought it was Terrence, but after seeing it several times, it says Terrace Marshall Jr. Kind of an odd name, I think. All right. Here we go. Muzzy Smith. And we have a shiny insert. Christian Gonzalez on the Rookie Revolution. And we have a Chris Rodriguez Jr. on the Red Parallel Rookie. Not too bad. All right, finally. There's a Will Levis. There's a Byron Young. Oh, we got a red. Jackson Smith and Jigba. We'll take that. Not too bad. There's a nice little pack there. I think I'm just destined not to be able to pull a top rookie like. Well, I guess we pulled the #1 pick. There you go, Tanner McKee, Dylan Horton, and there's the kid reporter. But out of all my pulls, I've yet to pull up C.J. Stroud base card. That guy just eludes me. I'm not sure what's going on. I wasn't first to get these packs. I just saw what was left over on the shelves, and everybody probably picked out the good ones. Darnell Wright. There you go. Keyshawn Booty. And a white hot rookie. Hendon Hooker. Last pack of the break, guys. All right. Go Darian Williams. Jaron Hall. Hey, we did pull a good one. Jordan Addison. That's the canvas. It's not bad. We'll take that. All right, guys, that was it for the break. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around. Like I said, I know I was late to the party, but I'll have a chance to get a couple of different breaks. The next break is going to be some value packs, some of those $8 value packs. I have heard some good things come out of those, and we're going to see if we can get something good. I think that's all I have for you now. So until next time, we'll see you later, guys. Bye.